Hey everyone, it is so cold right now and it's super windy, but the sun was out and I thought I really just need to get in the garden and do something to feel productive. So I wanted to show you two pretty cool upcycle projects. You know I love thrifting, you know I love free stuff, and I try to look at things with a new purpose in mind. So I was driving down the road and I found an old crib on the side of the road, and I thought I know I can do something with that in the garden. So let's check out my latest little upcycle project. Thanks for joining me at the Treehouse Garden. So I found this old crib. It was like 1970s crib, so I mean, I'm talking old school. And I thought, I think I can do something with that in the garden. So I have a row of Olle Garden beds at the back of the garden that I just got at the end of last season, so I haven't really grown much in them yet. And this is Barnyard Red, if you're interested. You know I love my Olle Garden beds. But anyway, this is the crib here. And I took the rails apart. It had like a plastic bite thing on it because, kids, I guess, bite the sides of the crib. Anyway, and I just detached that, took the wheels off, and then using zip ties, because I'm truly not the most handiest person, I just kind of set them in the Olle Garden bed there and zip tied them together. My idea is that I'm going to grow some like little cucamelon, some little squash, cucumber, something up the side. So I left some room down here in the front. And then in the summer, that will provide a lot of good shade underneath the little teepee structure here. And then right here, I can plant some lettuces, because lettuce bolts in the summer. It doesn't like to get really hot and it struggles. But if I grow some little squash or cucumbers up this, then I should have a nice little shady spot in the middle. So check out what I did with the actual metal frame here. This is my other bed. I had an old metal post that I just found around the property, actually, and I pounded that in the ground with a T-post thingamajig. I don't know what it's called, T-post pounder. I'm so good at words here today. Anyway, so I took the metal frame and then I set it inside the Olle Garden bed. Again, I zip tied it to that post, and this will give me a lot of growing. I'll have this whole front area to grow things, and then along that little metal frame there, I can grow vertical. So I just literally took an Olle Garden bed and doubled my space, and I did it with something I found for free on the side of the road. Thanks for joining me. I hope I inspired you to look at things in a new light and encourage you to upcycle things in your garden.